Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing the area and the tools: heat gun, dental floss, plastic card, and 70% plus isopropyl. Apply masking tape around the decal to protect paint. This avoids accidental scraper marks. Turn heat gun to low or medium. Keep it 4-6 inches away. You want the adhesive to soften, not blister the paint. Once the edge warms and becomes slightly tacky, slide dental floss behind a corner and saw gently to lift the decal. This creates a clean start. Once you have a corner lifted, continue methodically. Heat a 2-3 inch section, then use dental floss or a plastic card to separate the film. You move in small sections so the adhesive stays soft, otherwise it chunks and tugs paint. When using the card, hold it at a shallow 30-40 degrees angle and push steadily. This reduces scraping. If the decal tears, stop, reheat the torn area and resume. Patience prevents gouging and keeps the finish intact. You're nearly done. After the film is off, address adhesive residue. Spray isopropyl or a dedicated adhesive remover. Let it sit for 20-30 seconds so the solvent breaks the glue. Then rub with a microfiber cloth. Use light circular motion. Once clean, use a clay bar or car-safe polish to remove microcontaminants and restore gloss. Follow with wax after 24 hours to seal. If paint starts to lift or you see clear coat damage, stop immediately and get professional help to avoid worsening the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.